the Rubik Cube in under 5 minutes. This is my challenge for this time. First, I assemble the cross. Okay, now I have the cross. Now I have to orient the cross correctly. The cross sides. I have to orient the cross sides. Okay, I have the cross. Now I have to deal with the corners of the first layer. Okay, the first layer is complete. Now I'm trying to assemble the second layer, and in order to achieve this, I have to use the formula. Okay, great. Now I have two layers complete, and now I have to deal with the third layer. It is actually much more difficult than the first two layers, so it's substantially more difficult, but not impossible. First, I'm trying to create a cross on the top layer. Now there is no cross. And again, in order to achieve this, I have to remember and use formulas. Without formulas intuitively, it's nearly impossible to do. Okay, there is a cross on the third layer, and now I have to orient the sides of the cross correctly, again using a formula. Okay, now the top cross has the sides oriented correctly, and now I have to position the corners of the top layer in a correct fashion. There is a special formula for this. Okay, now it looks like the corners of the top layer are in the correct position, but I have to orient them correctly. Now the corners are not oriented in the correct fashion. Okay, great. Now the cube is complete. Thank you for watching. And it was about 6 minutes.